Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are very well at your home, and this is your history book, our past social science textbook in history for class 7th. Today we are going to read our first chapter's remaining part, thinking about time and historical periods. Historians do not see the time just a passing hours, day or years as a clock or calendar. Time also reflects change in social, economic organization, in the resistance and transformations of ideas and beliefs. The study of time is made to somewhat easier by the dividing the past into large segments, periods that process shared and characterized. In the middle 19th century, British historians divided history in India into three periods: Hindu, Muslim and British. This division based on ideas that religion of rulers was only important than historical changes, and that there were no significant development in the economy, society or culture. Such a division also ignored the rich diversity of subcontinent. इतिहासकार समय को केवल घड़ी या कैलेंडर की तरह नहीं देखते, यानी कि केवल घंटों या दिनों, वर्षों बीतने के रूप में वो नहीं देखते थे। उनका नज़रिया यह था कि समय और सामाजिक और आर्थिक संगठन में आने वाले परिवर्तनों की झलक उसमें दिखलाता है। विचारों एवं विश्वासों में कितना स्थायित्व है व कितना परिवर्तन है, यह अतीत के समान विशेषता दिखाता तथा कुछ बड़े हिस्सों या युगों में कालों में बांट दिए जाए तो समय अध्ययन से कुछ अलग आसान हो जाएगा। 19वीं सदी में अंग्रेज इतिहासकारों ने भारत के इतिहास को 3 युगों में बांट दिया, जैसे हिंदू, मुस्लिम और ब्रिटिश, और उन्होंने उस आइडिया से रिलीजन्स को भी अलग अलग उसमें डिवाइड कर दिया था। Few of historians follow the pedestrian today. Most of the economic and social factors of characterize the major elements different moment. The past the historians read the last year included the wide ranges: earlier society, hunters gatherers, earlier farmers, people living towns, village, earlier empires and kingdoms. The historic you will be studying in this year often describe the medieval. You will find out about the spread presence society. अब इस टाइम में, इस कक्षा में आप पढ़ेंगे पहले हंटर्स गैदर्स, अर्लियर एम्पायर्स, किंगडम्स, और हिस्ट्री में आप मेडिवल इंडिया के बारे में पढ़ेंगे, मतलब मध्यकालीन भारत के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। You will find more about the spread present society and rising religion, imperial states formation. Sometimes they caused Prostrals and forest people developed of Hinduism, Islam and major religions and arrival to European trading companies. These thousands of years Indian history witnessed considerable change. After all, 16th and 18th centuries were quite different from the 8th or 11th. Therefore, describe the interior part of one historical unit without the problems more than medieval period is often considered of the modern period. Modernity carries with the sense of material progressive and intellectual advancement. This seems to suggest that medieval period was lacking to any changes whatsoever. But course we do not. This was not the case. During these 1,000 years of societies of the subcontinent were transformed. Often the economics and several religions reached a level of prosperity that attract interest European trading companies. As you read this book, look out the sign of changes and historical process at work. Also, whenever you can compare with your read and book with what you read the last year, look out the changes and continues whenever you can, and look the world around. You can see the else and changes the remain of the. इसमें आप मेडिवल इंडिया के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। अभी जब पहले आप हंटर्स गैदर्स के बारे में पढ़ेंगे, अर्ली फार्मर्स के बारे में पढ़ेंगे, फिर लिविंग टाउन्स, कौन कौन से विलेजेस, लिविंग टाउन्स, अर्ली एम्पायर, किंगडम्स, इन सब के बारे में पढ़ेंगे, एंड मेडिवल इंडिया के बारे में पढ़ेंगे, मतलब मध्यकालीन भारत के बारे में आप पढ़ेंगे। एंड नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, आवर फर्स्ट चैप्टर इज़ फिनिश्ड हियर, सो वी विल डू सम क्वेश्चन आंसर्स. So you write it down in your notebook. Students, look at here. Class 7th, subject SST History, tracing changes through the 1000 years. Our first question is, who was considered foreigner in the past? The term foreigner is used to sense of the person who is not Indian, and medieval period it was applied for any stranger who appeared say in given village, someone who was not a part of that society or culture. In this sense, a forest dweller was a foreigner, so for a city dweller, but two persons living in the same village were not foreigners to each other, even though they may have had different religion or caste backgrounds. List some of the technological changes associated with this period. Some of the technological changes associated in this period: Persian's wheel in irrigation, spinning wheel, firearms, and combat. Next question: What were some of the major religions developed in this period? Some of the major significant religions development occurred: Hinduism, the worship of new deity, the construction of the temples by the royalty, and growing of Brahmins, the priest, as a dominant group in society were the new changes. Brahmins were importance grew to due their knowledge of Sanskrit language. They were patronized by the emperors. The merchants and migrants brought them and teaching of a Quran and holy books of Muslim. Next question: how were the affairs of jatis regulated? The affairs of jati were regulated in the following ways. Jatis formed their own rules and regulation. There was an assembly of elders called Jati Panchayat at enforced the rulers and regulation. Jatis was also directed to follow the rules of the village. Several villages were governed by a chieftain. So students, this is some question answers. Please note down in your notebook. And students, we will meet in our next video. Till then, take care.